guys, today we're been unboxing Rush Hour from Popmart.
Yan, LA, ganito mo. Ganun.
Ay, oo. I want to get Papi the Ice Cream Parlor, Papi the
Mine
Scientist,
is this.
Frankie the Auto Shop, Gigi the Dining Girl, Papi the Receptionist, Frankie the Tutor, and Gigi the Catwalker, and
I want the
all of
secret
them.
too. And I want the secret. Bilis.
Let's go!
Wait lang, open mo.
Ay, te! Ako na!
Bilis.
So, let's see what I get.
Pag mo tingnan. Yan.
Titignan ko yung card! Ngani!
Wait lang.
Titignan ko nga.
Ay! Ito nakuha mo!
Yay!
Bias mo!
Yay!
Alay,
Gigi!
oh.
Ay, ako na lang nga, Ngani! Ako na lang nga.
Alay, ang laki. Tingnan mo. Laki.
Ito na. So, let's see what Gigi looks like.
Ay! Thank you!
Oh my God, she's a diva.
Ay, guys!
She's a diva. Oh my God, she's so gorgeous. Oh my God, oh my God.
So, guys, itong itsura niya. Ang cute, di ba niya?
Pag sinabi, when I say go, you can unbox now.
Ano yung gunting daw?
Yes! She's so gorgeous. Ikat, Gigi.
Tatay, patingin na ito kung ano nakukuha.
Bakit nakaka yung bias ko?
Bakit
nakaka yung bias ko? Mami.
Kali ko na parang ay, yung gusto yung nito tito ay ito.
Maganda ka na.
Bakit ka na nanampal?
Ito mong gay nilang. Magandas ka na! Guys, this is the result of her. Oh my God. She's gorgeous. She's gorgeous like heaven. This is the card. I'm turning 8.
So guys, mag-unbox din ako gamit tong cellphone ng ninang kong ninay.
Oh my God, she's so...
So guys, dito ako sa video. Nasaan dito? Ito.
She's so cute. Oh my God. I think I really love her.
Sakoy. Nang duoy yung...
Just look at the human anatomy. It's just
Tatanggalan ko.
perfect.
Tatanggalan ko na ng sound.
She's just gorgeous as my poop. Bye.